I am trying a sunset themed soap for Design Mania. This is one of the tutorials, and I didn't want to do the typical sunset, so I thought about it and I came up with a couple ideas, and one of them is kind of creating a silhouette of kind of like this with black island, then you have the ocean, and doing an ombre into the sky. So I created a scraper that kind of has like, I don't know, bush leaves, grass I guess, to create kind of a profile view. And then I made palm trees, one large, one small, that I'm going to put on either side. So those are these. And the challenge was matching the blacks, because my soap dough black, and then pouring a black base. I'm not sure I got them quite matching, but we'll see when what happens when I cut it, how close I am. But so anyways, I've poured this. It needs to set up. I did stick blend it to death. The rest of this, because I'm doing an ombre, I need a slow moving fragrance, but I want this base to set up. So I stick blended it a lot, and I'm hoping that it will set up fairly quickly so that I can then start pouring the top. And I'm also not sure if my leaves, like I guess the grass, is going to, I'm going to be able to get that distinction. The soap is getting caught in that, so I'm not sure how much is actually going to really show through. I obviously did not get the purple soap around that tree, palm tree. Oh well. I mean, those are basically the only big gaps, so I guess considering how thick this soap got, that's not bad. Let's see what the heck I ended up with, because sure as heck, no, I didn't get what I was going for. Well, let's see. Oh my gosh. That pine tree fell. Pine tree. Palm tree. The scraper did not give the definition I want. I knew it wasn't, like, I knew, like, when I was doing it, I could not get the grooves. It just, the soap was basically getting stuck in it. I mean, it's not awful. The palm tree going sideways on there bugs me. But I mean, kind of the black silhouette, blue ocean, and then a purple sunset. It could be much worse. It's just not at all what I was going for. You can see it didn't quite get the blue up under there. It's okay. There's the one where it got stuck. It didn't make it under there and into that. Like, this was so thick, and I didn't push this down enough to push, so it's not the end of the world. That one's pretty. I think this is the worst out of all the bars with that gap. It happens. What really bugs me is that the tree went sideways. If it had been straight up, it wouldn't have actually been that bad. Right now it looks like there's a hurricane blowing and the palm tree is losing. I don't know. I might try this idea again one day. Redo this scraper, like come at it with a kind of a different mindset. Like I said, it's not awful. Just, in fact, I kind of like it if I didn't have that image of what I really wanted in my mind. I would be like, cool, this is pretty cool. Yeah, there are about 4 bars that are pretty bad with that groove, 4 or 5, but otherwise, let me know what you think if I even show you this video.